Oh shit. Oh shit. Pop this puppy open. Okay. Blade. Don't. That's just, yeah, mess. Oh, buddy. Oh, Jerry. Oh. Okay. So we got. I already have one of these. I don't really care for that. We got some wipey cloths. We got a bag. Okay, hold on. We got a baggie up in here. Come on, buddy. Oh, what is this? Oh, we got a nice. Damn, we got a nice leather bag. What is in here? It didn't come out. Oh, damn, that's a nice lens. So I have an extra lens. Ultimate X. Where'd my camera go? Oh, it's probably in the bag. I have the exact same bag as my camera. Damn. Open. Ooh, okay, so we got the charger. We got a. What is this? Pen? Yo, I got a pen. No, for real, what is this though? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a brush. I guess it's a stamp. Okay, I just dropped my brush. Come here. I need the cap. Okay, so we got. Oh, I'm definitely gonna need a new one. I'm definitely gonna get it like a bride one. We got a baggie holder. We got a automatic thing. We got the charger. We got the cable for the charger. Now, the big thing we've been waiting for. Oh, Jerry. Oh my God. I need to like charge it though. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. We got a new camera. So yeah, we got that. Let me put it away. Don't notice the mess, please. There's a mess in here. And then we got a fatter lens. So I'm guessing, I think this is the original lens that goes best with this camera. Yeah. So yeah, I have this and I have this one, which is like a wide angle. Yeah. It's a wide angle lens. Cool!
You can leave it up to me to never fail